This is Google Nano Banana, also called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. It's Google's new AI tool for powerful, consistent image generation. Go to aistudio.google.com and sign in. Click New Prompt and type what you want. For example, generate a car that looks exactly like a frog. Or an airplane carrying a car on top. Or upload a photo and say, change her clothing color to red. Hit run, and in seconds, Nano Banana makes it real. You can refine, adjust, and download your results instantly. That's Nano Banana. Simple, creative, and amazingly consistent.